scorpiontechnology.ie. Great to have you in there, Alan. Great to have you in there now, indeed, there. And hopefully sometime we'll be fit to bring you on Zello or bring you on WhatsApp there for a bit of an old call there now too, Alan. But if anybody doesn't know there, Alan is he does the scorpiontechnology.ie there for all your CB and ham radio accessories there and bits and pieces there. If you want aerials or coax plugs or whatever you might want there, Alan's your man there in Kells there. Scorpion Technology, www.scorpiontechnology.ie. And speaking of Alan there, just before we start our live recap there, I would just like to just mention there that I have received a very, very popular book. Yes there folks, the Irish CB Radio Handbook. There she is there now folks there. There she is there now, come in the post there last week there. And absolutely fantastic book, that's all I can say. The information, the stories, the content in this book is absolutely fantastic there, and I know a lot of people has purchased this book there. If you want this book there folks, go to www.scorpiontechnology.ie and you'll be fit to go into the book section there and order this fantastic Irish CB Radio Handbook, a complete beginner's guide to CB radio in Ireland. And the content is great, the information in it there, the stories, the whole lot there. Very impressive book there, and a very interesting read there now folks there. So do indeed check it out there now. It's about 93 pages, 93 pages packed there with great stories and information there, and everything there from everything you want to know there about radio. It's in this book here now, so do indeed check it out there now, indeed there, get in contact there with Alan in Kells there, and that is the book there now that is going all over the place. So many radio operators have purchased this book now online, and they're really enjoying the read of it there. So Alan in Kells, well done there now on a fantastic book now, and you've done a fantastic job at writing and putting the book together, and well done now indeed there. Doing proud there for all radio operators now indeed there, Alan. Doing us all proud there. Bringing the radio back up there and getting it popular there now again, and with the help of this book here and what you're doing there, Alan there, it's great to promote the hobby and get the hobby up and running and get more people interested in CB radio again there in Ireland. No matter at all, CB and ham radio there. It's all the same thing anyway, as I always say here. CB 11 meters, amateur bands, it's all radio, and it's fun, and it's there for everybody and should be made available to everybody. So check out this book there now folks once again now on www.scorpiontechnology.ie. Alan in Kells there. Well done again there, Alan, on that book now indeed there.